Today we are going to learn the poem, new poem, okay va? In the bazaars of Hyderabad. In the bazaars of Hyderabad. What is meant by bazaar? It is the market side, right? Okay, now see this. Now before that, before seeing poem, from the title, I am going to ask some question. Okay. See, what do you think the poem could be about? From the title you want to say, what is inside the poem? Yes. Next one, what clue do you get from the title? From this title, what is the clue you have got? Okay, next one, what clue do you get from the name of the poet? Okay, see, Sarojini Naidu is the poet of this poem. Yes, of this poem. What is the special of her? Yes, she is the Nightingale of India. Yes, Padum Paravai. Yes, yes. Now let me see the author note. Sarojini Naidu, born as at the first, her name is Sarojini Sadopadai. Okay, Sarojini Sadopadai was born in Hyderabad. Where she is born? She is born in Hyderabad. She is born in Hyderabad on 13 February. When she was born? 13 February. Yes, we learned that, yes, where we want to use the comma. If February 13 means we want to put comma here. Yes, February 13 means comma, then we want to write the year. For this, we will not want to put comma. So, 13 February 1879. When she was born? 13 February 1879. She was an Indian independent actress, a poet and a feminist. Okay, she is an activist. Activist means arvalar. Okay va? Indian independence activist, which means India independence ஆகணும் அப்படிங்கிறதுல ஆர்வம் கொண்டவர். Okay va? So activist, then she is a poet, then she is a feminist. What is mean by feminist? Feminist means one who support for the woman. Okay va? Penniyavadi. Okay. She was also the first Indian woman to become the president of Indian National Congress. Indian National Congress oda first woman president. Okay va? Indian National Congress oda first woman president yaru? First woman president. Okay, first president, woman president. Woman president. First woman president of Indian National Congress. Her published works, her works, what are her works? His famous works. First one is The Golden Threshold. The Golden Threshold. The Golden Threshold. Next one is The Feather of the Dawn. The Feather of the Dawn. The Feather of the Dawn. Two famous works are The Golden Threshold, The Feather of the Dawn. Okay, and now she is also, at first I am told, she is also known as the Nightingale of India. She is famous as Nightingale of India. Okay, in the author note, what we have learned, the lesson, the poem is In the Bazaars of Hyderabad, is written by Sarojini Naidu, and in the born, okay, well, during born time, what is her name? Yes, Sarojini. What is her name? Sarojini Sadobadai. Okay, Sarojini Sadobadai, and she is born in Hyderabad 13 February 1879, and she is the first woman president in Indian National Congress. She is the activist. What activist? India independent activist, which means India வந்து independence பெறணும் அப்படிங்கிறதுல இவங்க வந்து ரொம்ப ஆர்வம் மிக்கவங்க. ஓகே, ஆர்வலர். ஓகே, activist. Then poet, she writes the poem. Then feminist. Feminist means who can support the female. Okay, next, what are his famous work? Her famous works: The Golden Threshold, The Feather of the Dawn. Okay, these are the author note. Born in Hyderabad, 13 February 1879, first woman president in Indian National Congress. These three his her work as these three, and his famous works are these two, and his name at the when she born, it is Sarojini Sadopadhyay. Okay, and now okay, from this one we can find that what, yes, she is what activist? Indian independence activist, which means she is an activist to India want to independent. அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்னா, இந்தியா இண்டிபெண்டன்ஸ் பெறணும்னு சொல்லி ஆக்டிவிஸ்ட் இருந்தவங்க, ஆர்வலரா இருந்தவங்க. ஸோ நம்மளுக்கு என்ன தெரியுது இதுல இருந்து? போயம் எப்ப எழுதப்பட்டிருக்கு? when the poem is written, it is written during the period of independence. ஓகேவா? struggle of independence. independence காண்டி struggle பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தாங்களா? we want independence like that. at that time this poem is written. Okay, see. Okay, now do you know about the Swadeshi movement? Yes, Swadeshi movement. Yes, for the freedom they did this Swadeshi movement, right? Yes, that was an integral part of India's struggle for freedom. For the freedom they got many sacrifices. Yes, see here. And now we learn about the author. Now we are moving to Get Set Junction. Sort these words in the correct columns. Now we want to find the words and we want to write in the correct columns. What are the columns are there? Cloths and ornaments. Okay, we can write it short. Next is spices and condiments. Okay, condiments. Okay, next, food items. Next one is ammunition. Okay, ammunition. Next, other one is others. Okay, see, these are the topic given here. We want to find the words and we want to short it in the place where we want to write. Okay, here others. Okay, see, first one, turbans. What is mean by turban? Turban means தலைப்பாகை. Okay, தலப்பா. Where we can write in the cloths and ornaments or spices and condiments, food items or ammunition or others. Cloths and ornaments. See, first topic. Okay, cloths and ornaments. We want what we wear and what the jewels we wear. It is cloths and ornaments. என்னென்னலாம் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம், என்னென்னலாம் நம்ம கையில வச்சிருப்போம் அப்படிங்கிறது. Okay, next one is spices and condiments. Condiments means சுவையூட்டும் பொருட்கள். Okay, for the food it gives taste, it gives extra flavor. Yes, that items we want to write here. Next one is food items. Food items, all we know what we can eat, that are comes under this. Ammunition. What is mean by ammunition? Ammunition means வெடி மருந்து. Okay, what are the products, what are the things are used to destroy some area? It is ammunitions. Okay, next, others means remaining things we can write in this place. Okay, now first one, turban means talapa. Where we can want to write here? Yes, in the cloths and ornaments. So first one is turban. Okay, turbans. See the next one, tunics. Tunics means in the old, in the ancient period, the police, military man should wear, right, inside one shirt and after that one coat. Yes, short coat. Up to this only that coat is looks like, yes, short coat. Up to this I think so. Yes, short coat. Okay, it is fit as like the body. So it is tunics. Tunics is a uniform, military uniform. So it comes under cloths. So writing cloths. Okay, next one, mirror. Where we can write the mirror? It comes under this? No, because it is cloths and ornaments. It is spices. Spices means extra flavor. Then food items means eating items. Then ammunition means it is used to destroy something. And others. We want to write the mirrors in others. So write the mirrors here. Okay, finish. Next one. Daggers. What is mean by daggers? Daggers means pattakatti. Katti vechirupangalla. Pattakatti. Nalla theeti vechirupanganu solvanga theruma. So that is daggers. What is mean by daggers? Pattakatti. Where we can write in cloths and ornaments or spices or food items or ammunitions or others. Where we can write this daggers is used to spoil others. Yes, damage others. So it comes under ammunitions. So here we want to write daggers. Okay. Then next one is saffron. Saffron means kungumappu. Kungumappu it is comes under cloths or condiments or food items. These two. Where it is come extra flavor. Extra flavor means we want to write it here. So saffron. Okay. Next one. Lentil. Lentil means pairu. Yes, pairu. Lentil means pairu. So lentil comes under food items. We can eat the lentil, right? Pairu sabduvola. So it comes under food items. Next, rice. Rice also we can eat. So it comes under food items. Next one, next line, citron. Citron means narthangai. Okay, narthanga. So it also we eat, so it comes under food items. Citron. Okay, next one, henna. Henna means it is mardani. Okay, mardani it comes under food items or extra thing. Yes, so it is here, henna. Okay, next one, spice. Already the topic is there, so here we want to write spice. Okay, next one, chessman. See, chessman. Chessman means it is a toy. So we want to write others because there is no topic there. So chessman. Okay, the next one, ivory dice. Ivory dice means the yana thandathala seiyapatta pagade. Yes, we can play thayam, right? Yes, that is dice. So it comes under others. Playing items are coming under the others. Ivory dice. Okay, next one is wristlet. Wristlet means manikat. Manikatla katradhu. So it is we are wearing. So it comes under cloths, ornaments. It comes under ornaments. So we want to write here. Yes, wristlet. Yes. Next one, anklet. Anklet means kaal wear pandrathu. It's like kulsu. Yes. So it comes under ornaments. So anklet. Next one, ring. Ring also we are in our finger. So ornaments. Next, bells. Bells comes under extra things. Yes, so others. Bells. Next one, what is the next word? Girdles. Girdles. What is girdles? Girdles na kavasam. The soldiers are wear girdles, right? So kavasam. Kavasam odambula dhaan poduvom. So it comes under cloths and ornaments. Girdles. Okay, next one is scabbards. Scabbards means it is katti urai. The king can keep here, right? When the other army is coming means he take this and put the fight. Yes, so scabbards. Scabbards means katti urai. So it is used to destroy others. So it comes under ammunitions. Okay. cupboards. Okay, next one, chaplets. Chaplet means gredum. Okay, gredum or the flower thing, we can put it in the head. Okay, chaplets. So we can wear. So it comes under ornaments. So in the cloths and ornaments we want to write chaplets. Next one, pomegranate. Pomegranate is a fruit. So it is food item. So we want to write here pomegranate. Okay, pomegranate. Next one is plum. Plum also we can eat, so it comes under food items. Next word is sitar. Sitar is musical instrument. So that we can split the. After this you can put one box and write musical instrument. Musical instrument. Okay, musical instrument. Okay, musical instrument. Sitar. Okay, sitar comes under musical instrument. So write that, sitar. Okay, next one, sarangi. Sarangi is instrument. See the picture, sarangi. Okay, sarangi is this. It is in small in size. It has lot of strings. 55 strings are there, right? So it is sarangi. It is also comes under musical instrument, sarangi. Okay, next one is drum. Drum is used as a musical instrument. So drum also comes under musical instrument. What is the next word? Crown. Crown is the king wear. Yes, gredum. So it is comes under ornaments. Okay, crowns. Next one is sandalwood. Sandalwood is a extra thing. So we can write here sandalwood. 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 Okay, so we can split all the words in the boxes. And now I am going to give you a homework. Your homework is learn and write the author using the biosketch. We know biosketch, right? When he was born, when died, when what are the achievements, what are the qualifications, who are his parents, where he is born, where he is died, and what are the achievements, what are the awards he got, all those things. Yes, Sarojini Naidu. Okay, about Sarojini Naidu, you want to frame a biosketch and send it to me. This is your homework. Okay, students, I hope you all understand this topic. Thank you, students.